Every day, millions of instant noodles are produced inside massive automated factories like this.
Inside, huge mixers combine flour, water, and salt into a thick dough.
The dough is rolled again and again to create a perfectly thin sheet. Sharp blades slice the sheet into thousands of noodle strands.
Vibrating trays curl the noodles into the classic square shape.
The noodles are flash fried in hot oil to remove moisture and make them shelf stable. A heat sealing system closes the lids in milliseconds.
Robotic arms drop the noodle block and seasoning into cups. Meanwhile, seasoning packets are made using automated filling machines.
The finished cups are packed, wrapped, and boxed for shipping.
Boxes are palletized, scanned, and loaded for delivery. And just minutes later, these noodles are ready for customers worldwide.